sour, Mommy.
Really?
It's very
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Colin Garcia at Billy Crawford pinatikim si Amari ng manga. Sa video na ito, kitang-kita kung gaano ka-cute at nakakatawa si Amari Jayden habang natikman ang mangga. Halos hindi niya gusto ang maasim na lasa. Makikita rin kung paano maingat na pinaparamdam ng kanyang mom na si Colin Garcia at dad na si Billy Crawford ang pagkakaiba ng hinog at hindi hinog na mangga para malaman niya kung alin ang mas maasim. Sobrang cute ni Amari Jayden habang nagsasabi sa kanyang mommy na, "It's sour, I don't like sour mommy. It's very sour." Kitang-kita ang kanyang exaggerated na reaction sa sobrang asim ng mangga. Narito at ating panuurin ang kabuuan ng video pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
It's sour. I don't like sour, Mommy.
Really?
It's very sour.
Just a little bit. A little. Just a little bit. I think you like it if you take a bigger bite.
Why
Just
don't
try
you
it.
try which one is more sour, the green one or that one? Try that. It's sweet a little bit. Try
How
this
about
one.
that one?
Bite this one.
What?
Bite this one. See the difference? It's the same fruit.
Maybe it's the same.
See?